Are you tired of that gut-wrenching fear every time you have to speak in front of a group? Or maybe you've been in meetings where your voice shakes or you kind of hold back because self-doubt gets in the way. If that sounds familiar, you are in the right place, and I'm going to show you exactly how my Vocal Power community can change that. I know how overwhelming it can be when public speaking fear feels like this impossible hurdle. My name is Danielle Drew, and I used to be a terrified public speaker. I spent years living with the fear and the stress and the self-doubt. So I understand how frustrating it is and how it can hold you back from expressing your ideas and from achieving your potential. I also know from years of teaching public speaking skills that many people will just stay silent and they'll watch opportunities pass them by simply because they can't conquer this fear and this skill. But did you know that public speaking is a lot like learning how to drive a car? You remember the first time you get behind the wheel? It's kind of nerve-wracking. And you overthink every move and you worry about making mistakes the entire time. But what makes the biggest difference? Well, it's having this experienced driving instructor right there with you, guiding you through each challenge and helping you build confidence step by step. With their support, driving shifts from being a source of anxiety to just an everyday skill. And public speaking works the same way. With the right coach, guidance, and practice, it simply becomes second nature. Now imagine this. You walk into any room and you speak confidently, even happily. You're commanding the space, and every word you say leaves this lasting impact on your audience. You're not just speaking, you're engaging, inspiring, and above all, respected. And that is exactly what Vocal Power was built for. We will work with you to create a personal roadmap designed to develop your confidence and speaking skills. You'll also get access to live weekly Q&A calls where all your questions can be answered. Plus, you can receive detailed feedback on your speech structure and delivery, just like having that driving instructor right by your side. And it doesn't stop there. You also get access to proven training, which retails at over $20,000. Programs like how to craft compelling slides, how to move from fearful to fearless, and how to manage that nasty little imposter syndrome. These are all included, plus much more. And the really great thing is it's on this easy to use platform that works just the same as social media, so you don't need to learn any new technology. And the best part? You can join risk-free with our 7-day free trial. During that 7 days, if for any reason you decide it's not for you, you go to your profile and choose cancel. Nobody else needs to be involved. No questions asked. But don't wait, because our discounted foundation memberships are strictly limited. And once those are filled up, the price goes up. So if you're ready to conquer that fear, build confidence, and speak with influence, then join Vocal Power right now. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your public speaking skills forever. Click the link below and start your risk-free journey to becoming an engaging and confident public speaker. Welcome to Vocal Power, where your voice becomes your greatest asset. I'll see you in the community.